Since 1936, millions of samples worldwide have been analyzed using LECO instruments for elemental analysis, metallographic sample prep, hardness testing, and more. We want you and your laboratory to succeed by getting the results you can count on, while making life in your lab easier and more streamlined. Our latest generation of cornerstone glow discharge spectrometers are designed for the direct determination of the elemental composition of solid samples. Optical emission spectroscopy is a fundamental tool for chemical analyses, but traditional excitation methods require excessive calibration for precise results due to the randomness of their sampling process. Glow discharge spectrometers like the GDS series use a GRIM-type lamp to uniformly remove material from the sample surface and lower the self-absorption and material redeposition. As this is a non-thermal technique, it is excellent for difficult applications and provides a large representative area needed for bulk content sampling and depth profile information. The simple, linear calibrations of glow discharge spectroscopy provide narrow emission lines, less interference, increased dynamic ranges, and less complex spectra than other sources. Here's how a glow discharge works step by step. A high negative potential is applied to the sample, which becomes the cathode. Spontaneously produced argon ions are accelerated across the anode-cathode gap by this potential. Collision of these argon ions with gas molecules causes plasma formation and the production of even more ions. High-velocity ions that uniformly reach the sample mill or sputter sample material from the surface. What makes the glow discharge method unique is that the sputtering is mechanical, unlike a spark system. When a sample atom collides with an argon ion, the sample atom becomes excited. The excited state is transitory, releasing a photon of energy as light characteristic of the atom. The photon emission is detected by the instrumentation, and the concentration is calculated. The concentration is relative to the number of photons emitted. The glow discharge method of spectroscopy is well suited for bulk applications to determine the average elemental composition of a sample. Samples can be in any form, such as blocks, sheets, fasteners, pressed, and mounted samples. A variety of sample holders allows even small samples, like wire or thin sheets, to be successfully analyzed. As the industry leader in bulk elemental analysis, the GDS series is designed to handle anything you have to throw at it. Regardless of your sample type, your GDS will be designed, manufactured, tested, and fully calibrated in our factory in St. Joseph, Michigan, and delivered to your lab to immediately begin work on your applications. The GDS 950 takes glow discharge a layer further with compositional depth profiling, or CDP. The shallow burn spot and fast sputtering rate allows a continuous depth profile analysis from nanometers to hundreds of micrometers. All elements from the surface to the substrate are acquired simultaneously, providing the complete chemical composition within only a few minutes, increasing sample throughput while minimizing cost per analysis. The glow discharge method, when utilized with CDP software, determines the elemental composition of layered samples as a function of depth. Depth can be determined directly without the need for thickness standards or depth profilometers. Applications like plated or painted sheet, galvanized sheet, thermochemical treatments, oxide layers, semiconductors, and hard coating are all supported. Calculations can be created to determine secondary parameters like thickness, layer intersections, diffusion gradients, density, and coating weights. The GDS series uses photosensitive charge-coupled device arrays to record the complete emission spectrum from 120 to 460 nanometers, with an optional extension spectrometer to extend the coverage up to 850 nanometers, allowing access to higher wavelength elements like sodium, potassium, and lithium. With up to 30 picometer resolution, even the most complex features of bulk elemental spectra can be easily differentiated. The inherent sensitivity, dynamic range, and linearity of these detectors, coupled with a glow discharge source, ensures stability, flexibility, and performance for all bulk elemental applications. All GDS series systems are equipped with a purge spectrometer and recirculation system. A purge spectrometer is less susceptible to light intensity loss due to contamination or photopolymerization. The recirculation system cleans and recirculates the purge argon to extend purge gas life and significantly reduce operating costs. Direct current lamps are standard equipment with the GDS series. DC is optimal for electrically conductive samples due to its simplicity and ease of control. Instrument models equipped with the optional radio frequency option use radio frequency energy instead of direct current to direct the glow discharge. LECO's proprietary true plasma power algorithm is used to correct for radiated and reflected power losses. True plasma power improves the ability of RF-equipped models to perform both quantitative bulk analysis and quantitative depth profile analysis for electrically conductive and electrically non-conductive samples. When equipped with the RF option, the operator can select DC or RF simply by switching analysis methods. No hardware changes are required. The GDS systems feature our exclusive Cornerstone brand software with a touchscreen interface designed for speed and ease of use, which allows you complete access to analysis control, data, and method settings, as well as diagnostic and reporting features. These features come together to provide an overall advancement in optical emission analysis, enhancing the performance of both process control and R&D applications. The intuitive design of the Cornerstone GDS series makes this instrument very easy to operate, maintain, and service with minimal training required. The automated cleaning system between samples saves time and minimizes the matrix effects for increased precision, while the recirculated argon-purged spectrometer increases the life of optical components and eliminates the need for multiple gas sources and associated accessories, lowering the cost per test. Want to access your data on the go? Our mobile software application feature, Cornerstone Mobile, allows you to view your data, plots, analysis batch progress, and performance, all from your smartphone or tablet. Set up notifications for specific instrument conditions so you don't miss a thing. Whether your needs for bulk elemental or compositional depth profile analysis are driven by the need for superior analytical precision or the flexibility to change from matrix to matrix without metallurgical sample history, the Cornerstone GDS systems can maximize your laboratory's efficiency. LECO's commitment to helping your laboratory be successful doesn't end when you purchase an instrument. For over 80 years, we've remained committed to enhancing your experience long after the sale by offering thorough training on our instruments and technology, accessibility to our US-based instrument service network with technicians all over the world. Keep your instruments in top working order. We also provide you with access to our friendly customer service and application support. Having trouble with a challenging application? We're just a phone call away to help you get the most out of your instrument. Here at LECO, your success matters, and we want to know more about the type of application work you're doing and what's important to you. Visit leco.com to tell us about your samples.